Imagine you are an ancient Egyptian. You believe that when you die, your soul, your Ka, leaves your body to travel to the afterlife. But every night, it must return to your body to rest. There is just one problem. In the hot Egyptian desert, a human body rots in 24 hours. If your body rots, your soul has nowhere to go. You disappear forever. So, the Egyptians invented a way to stop biology. They created a 70-day chemical process to turn a human corpse into an eternal statue. Here is exactly how they did it. Step by gruesome step. The first step happens immediately after death. The embalmers take the body to a tent called the place of purification. They start with the head. The Egyptians believed the heart was the center of intelligence, and the brain was useless, just stuffing. So, they take a long bronze hook, smash through the thin bone behind the nose, and whisk the brain into a liquid. Then, they drain it out through the nostrils. Anything left inside is dissolved with harsh palm wine. The skull is now empty. Next, they make a small cut on the left side of the stomach. They must remove the wet organs, the liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines. Why? Because these are the first parts to rot. They are full of bacteria and water. If you leave them in, the mummy explodes. They wash these organs in wine and spices, then pack them into 4 sacred jars, the canopic jars. Each jar is guarded by a god. The jackal guards the stomach. The baboon guards the lungs. The human guards the liver. The falcon guards the intestines. But they leave one organ inside, the heart. They believe you need it to be judged by Anubis in the afterlife. If you don't have a heart, you can't enter heaven. Now, the body is a hollow shell, but it is still 75% water. Water is the enemy of preservation. To fix this, they use a special chemical found in dried lake beds called natron. Natron isn't just table salt. It is a mix of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. It does 2 things. It sucks every drop of moisture out of the skin. It kills bacteria so bugs can't eat the flesh. They bury the body in 600 pounds of this salt. And then, they wait. They leave it there for 40 days. When they take it out, the body is lighter, darker, and rock hard. It is no longer a corpse. It is leather. But now the body looks shriveled and sunken. To make it look alive again, they stuff the skin with sawdust, linen, and onions to plump it up. They seal the skin with resin, tree sap that hardens like glue. Then comes the wrapping. This takes 15 days. They use up to 4,000 square feet of linen. But they don't just wrap. Between the layers, they tuck in hundreds of magical amulets and charms to protect the person in the underworld. Finally, a mask is placed over the face, so the soul recognizes its owner. The process took exactly 70 days. It was expensive, messy, and smelled terrible. But it worked. Today, 3,000 years later, we can still see their faces. We can check their teeth. We can see their tattoos. The ancient Egyptians wanted immortality. They didn't get it biologically, but they got it historically. Because as long as we are still looking at them, they aren't truly gone. Thanks for watching. If you want to know what happens when this process goes wrong and creates a screaming mummy, click this video right here.